And welcome back. Well, our next guest helps people plan for retirement. He's in the business of making sure you have enough money to quit working. Doesn't that sound nice? He's also the perfect person to help you protect your home and your cars. Matthew Holbrook is a financial representative with Country Financial. He's here with more on the Safe and Secure plan and 2 things that you might have going for you to help you save big on the costs of that protection. Good to see you, Matthew.
Good to see you.
All right, so safe and secure, that's what we want people to be, right?
Today. Yep.
I like that. So a lot of people think about you for retirement and all the things we've talked, saving for kids, for grandkids, college, life, all those things.
Whole bunch of stuff.
And you also do home and auto.
Yep, which is, I mean, a lot of people don't know that. That's why I want to tell people that. Reason we do that is because what better person to protect that than the person that knows most about the assets. So if I know everybody's financial plan and what they're kind of striving for, I know what they need to protect. And a lot of people, it's more just, okay, let's just put that with that so I have to work with less companies. A lot of people don't want to work with 20 companies or however many companies out there. And a lot of people also understand that with the retirement planning, that's where you're going to make those dollars. So if the rates go up, say 40 bucks a year or whatever that is, that's small in the grand scheme of things. So people really don't care. They just want to work with a good company, and that's what we have.
Gotcha. So a lot of people probably do then their home and auto with you if they're already working with you for their retirement.
Exactly. And that's just one thing that they have with us on the side there, where if something does happen along the way, well, then they have a great company to work with that has great ratings.
Yeah. And when you talk about your ratings, you guys are rated really high with J.D. Power, right?
Yep, and we protect those ratings, so we want our clients to love us because then we get those good ratings and then more people want to work with us. So on here, you can see on the screen there, we're ranked.
Oh, you're way up there.
Yeah, we're way up there, top 3, so not too shabby whatsoever. So again, a lot of people, when they're working with an insurance company, they want a company that's going to pay when you actually have a claim as opposed to fight you on those things.
Yes.
So with us, that's how we get those good ratings.
Okay, that's great. So that's a very important rating as well when you're talking about that customer service and obviously when things go wrong, because we know insurance, you don't have an opinion about your insurance till something goes wrong. And so to be in the top 3, that's really good.
Yeah, that's when people find out how good their insurance companies are.
It's so true.
That's what I tell people.
So talking about insurance, people think the big deal is the different premium rates. It's the rates that people have with different companies. So who would be an ideal candidate for you to be able to work with?
Yeah, ideal client with us would be good credit, so not really horrible credit. That kind of kills the score on there. Also, not a lot of claims or tickets within the past few years. And then what I've noticed a lot lately, outside of Milwaukee County, the rates are a lot more competitive, purely because if you live downtown, there's tons of accidents, there's tons of uninsured drivers. The insurance company knows that and they have to rate for it. So I found Waukesha County, Ozaukee County, if you live there, it's worth at least looking.
Interesting.
Give me a call. It takes me 5 minutes. It's not hard.
Okay. So another thing is, too, if you have some service industry positions or like teacher, police officer, firefighter, EMT, there's discounts that go through
They give you a discount for that. So if you guys have one of those careers, then you get even more discount, which people really like quite a bit.
Yeah. So you said it takes like 5 minutes to get a quote. What does somebody do? I mean, if they, I mean, how much information do you have to have for them to be able to give you a quote?
Yeah, so a lot of times people call me, hey, I'm looking to get some numbers here. Perfect. Give me your full name, your birth date, your address, who's in the house with you. Okay, perfect. I'll give you a call back in 5 minutes. I go on my computer, I type it all up, give them a call back. If it's competitive, great. We go forward with it. Yeah. It's not hard. I mean, this is the easy part of my job.
Right.
The retirement stuff's a lot more difficult. Plus another nice thing, if you do all the retirement thing or with those products, you get even more discounts on the auto and home stuff. So
interesting.
They just keep on compounding. So a lot of people, again, all one place, one and done.
Do you find that you end up saving people money?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Especially if you have the good credit and then not a lot of tickets or accidents. A lot of people, we're pretty competitive right now, especially on the home stuff. So I always tell people that. So give me a call. It's worth a shot. Well,
I like that too. That it's not your bread and butter per se, because something about that to me speaks to you, because it's like I don't want to be pressured. I don't want to be pushed. I don't want to be like bombarded with this rate, this rate, this rate. You're kind of like, hey, here's the deal. If you got good credit, if you want a competitive rate, if you want great service, like, hey, cool, check it out. I do this too, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
And I like that because it's like you already know how confident you can be in the company that you work for, and it's fantastic.
Yep, and a lot of people, I mean, it's what they'll do. They'll either, maybe sometimes they'll just have the auto and home stuff, and we'll work on the budgeting issue before we can kind of get that. That's fine. We'll pick up products as we go, and we'll go as fast as you want.
Well, I like the idea too, like you said, of having less companies involved, having the person that you're working with really know you, your life, and your goals, and and your plans for your future.
Yep.
So contact Matthew Holbrook. He's with Country Financial. He's located right here in Shorewood, but give him a call. He'll meet with you as well. It's 414-332-2137. You can email him as well at matthew.holbrook@countryfinancial.com. You can talk about all those things, but get your safe and secure plan down with him. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.